Hi guys, we're going to talk about your elements assignment. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to make a little flappy pamphlet type thing, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So here are some examples of exactly what we are going to do. So by now you should have already watched the full elements video. So let's talk about the assignment a little bit. I have attached this handout that lists all of the elements, and it has an example and also has the exact definition. So you go ahead and look at this as you create this assignment. For this assignment, your first step is you are going to get a sheet of printer paper. Here is your printer paper, and you are going to fold it just like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to make these look nice and even, and you're going to make sure that this is going the long way, not the short way. So that is step number 1. Your next step after that is you're going to look at your rulers. So with your rulers, let's talk a little bit about measurements. So your ruler starts right here at the first tick mark. These longer marks in the middle are half marks. For this assignment, you are going to measure out 1.5 inches. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure out your 1.5 inches, and you're going to section them off into different boxes. You should have a tiny little space left for your name where you can put your name on there, and it should look something like this. You should have 7 boxes total. Once you complete this, you're going to draw on each individual, and you are going to create a elements folder. So with each element, you need to draw it exactly like the element. So for example, for line, there will be line. For shape, there will be shape. For form, there will be form. Value will have value. Color will have color. Texture will be texture. And space will have space. So I want you guys to look at these examples. This one is more neat and looks a lot better. However, this one is fully colored. So I want you guys to conjoin these two and really have a nice fully colored version of this, but also have it look really nice and neat like this one does as well. I want to take you guys over in my classroom to a art rubric. So let's jump into the art rubric. So we are in my classroom right now, and this is the art rubric that I'm going to be using every single time to grade your assignments. You always want to be in the smiley face. So in order to get in the smiley face, you need it to be neat, creative, follow instructions, have good work habits, and elements. For your guys' work habits, since you will be at home, this will basically just be when we check in and when we have that Wednesday check-in that you are working well and that you are well on your way to the assignment. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So you always want to be in the smiley face. You never want to be in the frowny face. So for this assignment, just like all the others assignments, it should be neat, creative, follow directions, have good work habits, and have a good use of the elements. So let's look back at your project. Okay, as you look at these, I want you to think in your head, does this follow the art rubric? I feel like these both follow the art rubric really well. The only thing for this is that it is not fully colored, but it is also very neat. So I want you guys to mix the two of these and make it happen and make it look super, super nice. So once you have created the outside, on the inside, you are going to write me a definition of every single element in your own words. So I want you to use this paper again and read all of the definitions, and I want you to really simplify them and in your own words, write them in the middle. So that is your assignment. This is going to be due on Friday, and I really want you guys to spend a few hours doing this. In class, we are working on it for about 40 minutes a day, and it's due on Friday, so that's about 2.5 hours. So you guys should put about 2.5 hours worth of work into this assignment and really make it look neat and colorful and follow that rubric. Please email me if you have any questions, but this will be due on Friday. And we talked about earlier in a different video about how to turn that in. So you guys are going to take a picture of it. I want you to take a picture of the front and on the inside. and then you are going to upload it the way I showed you in the video. All right, thank you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye.